What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Montoya. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing everything. Ooh, this fabric heavy. Everything that I am going to be working on this spring. Some of them I have already started. So these are in no particular order. I'm just going by what's on my lap. Okay, so my first plan for spring is my faithful pattern, M7757, Old Faithful. I will be pairing it with M706. It's a pleated skirt, but I will be making mine maxi because I love a maxi skirt. So I'll be pairing these two, and I will be using this fabric here. So I already made the skirt. And you know what, I cut out this pattern in a different fabric about maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and reading those directions I could not figure out how to do the pleat. Went back to it, you know, studied the pattern, and I'm like, oh, I know how to do this. So if at first you don't succeed, doesn't matter how many years later, dust the pattern off and try that thing again, okay? Another item that I will be making is I'll be making a mini skirt and a infinity top using this fabric here. So I have 3 yards left, so I won't be using any particular pattern brand. I'll just be using my own patterns that I have drafted myself. So I already have a gathered mini skirt tutorial that I have, my Toya skirt, so I'll just be doing the mini version of that, and then the Tiva top, which is an infinity top. So I already have those self-drafted, but I can't decide which way I should do the direction. I'm like, do I want to do it this way or do I want to do it this way? Because I already have a dress with the direction of the print going this way, but it's maxi length. I don't know, we'll see. I'll lay everything out to see what works best for the pattern pieces. Maybe that. Or y'all let me know down below in the comments what y'all think. Should I do it? Well, I would say like, oh, vertical, horizontal. Which way should the lines go? Should I make them go vertical, or should I have the lines going horizontal? What do y'all think? Another plan that I have for spring is this pattern here, which is McCall's M7593. I have had this pattern on my sewing list for the past, I don't know, 3 years. I've been trying to make this pattern, but I always bump it because I want to make something else, so I run out of time, and it's already you know, fall or winter. So yeah, but now I'm making this pattern. It will not get bumped. And if y'all don't see it posted, y'all say, hey, where is M7593? You said you was gonna sew that up. But my plan is to use this knit kente print here. Let's see, is that coming up? It's a little bright. Yeah, this knit kente print that I've had for a while now also. And it wouldn't be right to do a spring garment and not to use my favorite color. I mean, one of these is already yellow and purple, but a full yellow dress, I have to do it. I have to do it. This is going to be my birthday dress. It is going to be the Sicily slip dress, but I'm planning on making it maxi length because I love a maxi dress. And yeah, I have this gorgeous crepe fabric. Where did I get this from? I think from Minerva Crafts. I got it off Minerva Crafts, 6 yards. I won't be using all of it for the dress, but you know, I love yellow, and I don't know what I'll be using the rest of it for. But initially when I bought it, I didn't know what I was making. I just saw it, loved it, know that yellow is my favorite color. Crepe is my second favorite fabric. So I had to get as many yards as I could. Now for my last spring make is this coral. What would you call this? Coral color? Yeah, I'm going to call it coral. It's looking a little orangey when I'm looking at the... Hopefully it's picking up better on camera. But this is some coral colored, or you call it salmon, crepe fabric. I love a good crepe. So I have about 6 yards of this fabric. I plan to make a high-low maxi circle skirt and an infinity top, maybe an infinity top. I'm not sure which top I want to make, but I think I'm going to go with an infinity top with the skirt. That's my plan. We'll see how much fabric I have after I'm done making the skirt. If I have enough for an infinity top, I'll do that, or I might have to switch it up. We'll see what the fabric tells me what's going to happen. Alright, so that concludes my spring sewing plans. Let me know down below which one you're looking forward to seeing. And also let me know, what are y'all sewing up for the springtime? I need some pattern ideas to pin to my Pinterest board. Let me know what y'all got going on. And I will see you all next time.